Good afternoon students of class 4. Get ready, this is your English grammar class. Welcome. So students, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 21, present continuous tense. Okay. Present continuous tense we will start today. In the present continuous tense there is some rule. For example, how to form a present continuous tense. Okay. We use, at first we use is and are, okay, and with this the ing form of verb. Can you see? Yes. For example, he goes to school. That is simple present. But for present continuous, we will write he is going. Look, is and ing form, going, okay, to school. Another example, she reads a book. Okay. This is simple present. But if we want to make it present continuous, then we will write she is reading a book, right? So, this is present continuous tense. So, page number 62 we are doing, page number 62 we are doing. So, we will do number B, okay. Number B. Look at the picture, then complete the passage given below using the present continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. So, we will complete this picture with our sentences. My hotel is on the beach itself. I dash stand. So, we will write I am standing. Standing in the balcony and looking out. Some men and women are swimming. Some men and women are swimming in the sea. Two tourists are basking. That means they are enjoying the sun. Tourists are basking in the sun. A few seagulls are flying. Are flying. Mrs. and Mr. Shivalkar are walking. Are walking on the beach. Manan is building. Is building a sand castle, and Ria is helping. Is helping him. An old man is selling peanuts, but there are hardly any customers. Okay. So, this is number B. Now, come to page number 63. Imagine that you are standing at the window of your room, your mother is inside doing some work, your dog Jimmy is celebrating his birthday in the lawn. Okay? In the lawn, Jimmy the dog is celebrating his birthday. Look at the picture below and describe to your mother what is going on. Use the verbs given below. So, the first one, Number C. It is a very interesting scene in the lawn, Mama. Jimmy is celebrating. Jimmy is celebrating. He is sitting at the table. He is wearing. He is wearing a beautiful new dress. He is looking. He is looking quite handsome. Now he is blowing out candles. He is blowing out the candles. The bunny rabbit is clapping. All his friends are wishing. Wishing him a happy birthday. Mr. Cock is standing. He is standing in a corner. Mr. Cock is standing in a corner and is singing a song. Mr. Cat and Mr. Fox are sitting near Jimmy. They are holding presents in their hands. All of them are sitting. All of them are sitting themselves. Okay. So, I repeat, it is a very interesting scene in the lawn. Mama, Jimmy is celebrating his birthday. He is sitting at the table. He is wearing a beautiful new dress. He is looking quite handsome. Now he is blowing out the candles. The bunny rabbit is clapping. All his friends are wishing him a happy birthday. Mr. Cock is standing in a corner and is singing a song. Mr. Cat and Mr. Fox are sitting near Jimmy. They are holding presents in their hands. All of them are sitting themselves. Okay. So, students, this chapter is very short. So, this chapter is completed. So, learn this chapter. Okay. And if you have any queries, please send me your question in the e-portal. Okay. So, bye students. Bye bye.